Gershers, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are made, step by step.
Pallet 3B confirms cells are within tolerance. Moving to structural components next.
Every Tesla begins with carefully engineered materials designed for strength, efficiency, and safety.
Temperature on manifold 7 is fluctuating. We're approaching the upper limit.
I see it. Rerouting coolant flow now. Levels should stabilize.
Every component is assembled with extreme precision and tested for reliability.
Every vehicle is thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory.